Hey guys, this is the Saigami Project. My name is Andrea Otilia Doni, and I'm the creator of the manga series Saigami, published and serialized in Saturday AM, the world's most diverse manga anthology. A short while ago, the good people at XP Pen sent me one of their newest pen display, the Artist 13.3 Pro. You already seen the unboxing. Now it's time for the review. This tablet has a fully laminated 13.3 inches Full HD screen with an 88% NTSC color accuracy, coming with an anti-glare optical film. In short, it's small, but it has everything you can ever wish for. Before receiving this tablet, I've been using XP Pen's older 15.6 model, which was also pretty neat, so at first I was a bit skeptical about switching to a smaller screen. But holy moly, the difference in quality totally makes up for it. Thanks to the laminated screen, there's basically no parallax, meaning there's no glassy feeling gap between the tip of your pen and the cursor. And that is amazing. Speaking of the pen, the new stylus is also a big step up from the previous variants, and I was honestly surprised by the huge leap in quality. Just like any decent styluses nowadays, it's battery-free and has an 8192 point level pressure sensitivity. It comes with spare nibs and a nice and sturdy case, which is ideal for travel. And it comes with neat updates. The pen feels really good in my hand. It has a nice and thick rubber grip. Actually, it's very similar to the Wacom styluses. And now it has a slimmer and finer nib that grants more accuracy. Another new feature, once again closing the gap between Wacom and this affordable model, is the 60-degree tilt support. Now, to be frank, I don't really use this feature, so I might not be the best to judge it, but it's certainly a nice extra for this exceptionally great feeling pen. The display comes with 8 customizable express keys and the XP Pen trademark Red Ring, which is an also customizable dial button that can make rotating the canvas, zooming, or changing the brush size effortless and fast. With my older 16-inch tablet, I've been using an extra remote to grant me more express keys, but honestly, with the 8 buttons and the red ring here, I feel like this tablet is plenty enough for my necessary shortcuts, so it's definitely a step up. The pen display also comes with a free stand, which is a nice little extra, although admittedly it feels a bit cheap with only one angle, and sometimes it's a bit wobbly, but hey, it's free, so no complaints. if I'm looking at a list of pros and cons, the list of pros is lengthy with great accuracy, vibrant HD display, smooth and very pleasant drawing experience with no parallax, no jitter, no wobbliness in the drawn lines. It is hands down the closest to traditional. On top, the Express case and the updated pen allows me to work faster, more efficiently. Actually, it surprised me a lot that I barely hit the undo button while I was drawing. Now, compared to this, my list of cons will feel a bit more like nitpicking, but I gotta be honest here. I think it's pretty common with pen displays, but often at the very edge of the screen the parallax gets bigger. Many times my cursor hovers millimeters away from where I'm actually touching the screen, so I had to pay attention whenever I was going for the command bar on top or the edges. That's also something you just need to get used to and pay attention a bit more. The pen itself also has two Express keys, but it turns out that they only respond when the pen is close enough to the screen. So whenever I lift my pen a bit more up, it won't take the commands, which can be a little bit annoying. I mentioned this before, but the stand was a bit wobbly. I tend to lean on the desk and the table while drawing, so a few times my arm pressed down the sides of the tablet, resulting almost flipping it over, so I had to pay a bit more attention, but it might just be me being clumsy while drawing, so no big deal there. All considered, this is hands down the best pen display I ever tried. Despite the smaller screen, it replaced my 16-inch display for good. Like seriously, I haven't even touched the old one ever since I received this tablet. And if you take the $300 price and value into consideration, XP Pen has one of the best deals on the market here, and I can wholeheartedly recommend this tablet to anyone who wants the highest possible value and an affordable price. I once again would like to thank XP Pen for sending this amazing tablet for me, and I also would like to thank my supporters on Patreon and everyone who supports my works by getting my books, magazine subscriptions, and so on. Don't forget you can read the first 3 chapters of my comic series online for free, and among my links in the video description you can find my other social media, commissions, and pretty much any other links you might be interested in. I hope you enjoyed this video review, and if you have any other questions about this tablet, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to hit the like button or share if you enjoyed this review, and I see you soon in my next video.